What is ignorance? What is ignorance? Consciousness thinking, I am this physical body and mind. This is ignorance. When I recognize I am not this body and mind, I am the witness of this body and mind. And then I follow the witness, the I that is saying, I am the witness. I follow and I notice the I disappear into a nothingness, a void. Then I see, aha, I am the void. I am that. Can I go beyond the void? No, there is no beyond. But I recognize that in this void, in this awareness, this body and mind comes up, then that body and mind enters the room, and that body mind enters the room, and they're interacting with each other. I am seeing this whole scene happen in my awareness. Oh, I am awareness. I am not the body and mind. This waking up is called knowledge or wisdom, jnana. When I keep thinking I am the body mind, that is ajnana. That is ignorance. Ignorance of what? Ignorance of my true nature of being the awareness or consciousness. Very clear? Yeah. It is not that there is a body, inside that there is a small mind, and inside that there is one dot of consciousness. Wrong idea. Actually, there is the awareness. Inside that awareness, there is the physical body with a kind of functioning mind, which goes kaput every now and then. Yeah. So it is not that the awareness is inside, it is outside. That's it. This is jnana. It is that simple. It is not rocket science. It is really not as hard as climbing Mount Everest. The problem has happened with religions that came in. Religions created, oh, this is Hindu scripture, this is Muslim scripture, and then we said, my God is better than your God, my Guru is better than your Guru, my organization better than your organization, and a zillion texts and scriptures were written around this, and religion got mixed up with spirituality. Truth got mixed with untruth. Now all the cards are on the table and you're confused. What is the truth? Very simple. It's very simple. If you experientially see, you do not have to sit and sort out the cards on the table. See experientially. The moment you see experientially, there is no need for the effort of looking through scriptures, running behind this guru, running behind that master, trying to figure out if Hindutva is correct or Muslims are correct or Christians are right. This is the right way. Direct experience. The direct path. Clear? Yes, and the direct path is the best way is through the knowledge of sleep and dreams. Swapna Nidra Jnana. Avasthatrayam. 3 states. Waking state, dreaming state, and deep sleep state.